In the next page, we are going to see the distance time graph. Distance in the y-axis and time in the x-axis. Distance in the y-axis and time in the x-axis. Distance time graph based upon the speed. Distance divided by time will use the speed, no? Based upon the speed of a car. You are seeing a car in the page moving from the starting point. Figure shows a car traveling along a straight line away from the starting point. The distance of the car is measured for every second. Distance of the car is measured. The distance and the time are recorded in the graph. The distance and the time are recorded in the graph using the tabular column. See the time. For 0 second, the distance covered is 0. For 1 second, 20. Then 2 seconds, it will be in again 20, again 20, again 20, again 20. This shows the car is not at all moving. See, for every second the car is in the same 20 meter. After from the point 0, it covers a distance 20 meter, then it is not at all moving for an every second. So it is called as the car is at rest. The car is not at all moving, it's at rest. Secondly, for 0 time distance is 0 and the 1 second 10 meters and 2 seconds 20 meter, 3 seconds 30 meter and 4 seconds 40 meter, 5 seconds 50 meter. In the graph we'll be noting the point, no, x and y axis point that you are going to note in this each point. Okay, the first one is for 1 second. The first point is 1 comma, the first point is 1 comma 10. The second point is 2 comma 20. The third point is 3 comma 30 within bracket. You will be writing, no, 1 comma 10, 2 comma 20, 3 comma 30. So it will give an straight line. The graph, the distance increases by 10. The distance increased 10 meter for every second. So it is a constant increasing graph. So the car traveling at a uniform speed. The car is now traveling at a this graph shows that the car is traveling at an uniform speed. The tabular column C, car traveling at an increasing speed. At 0 it will be 0. For 1 second 5 meter, 2 seconds 20 meter, 3 seconds 45 meter, 4 seconds 80 meter and 5 seconds 125 meter distance. For each second the distance is varying vastly. So the car is traveling in an increasing speed. Then the next graph, 0 second 0 and 1 second 45 meter, 2 seconds 80 meter, 3 seconds 105 meter and 4 seconds 120 meter and 5 seconds 125 meter. So it shows an speed first increased to 45, then 80 minus 45 will be getting 35, decreases. Then 105 minus 80 will get 25, that also decreased. 120 minus 105 will be getting only 15, that is also decreased, again decrease. This type of steep curve shows that the speed is not increasing. After first speed, the speed is decreasing, the car traveling at decreasing speed. So from the graph you can say that if the graph has horizontal line, it shows that the car is at rest. If a graph has straight line with a slope, constant slope, it has uniform speed. If it has a U curve, it will be having an increasing speed. If it is a steep curve like this mountain, it is a decreasing speed. So using a graph itself, you can say whether the car is at rest or constant speed or decreasing or increasing. This is speed time graph. So these four things are speed and distance time, speed and time graph. Speed 10 meter per second. The same way, first what you have seen in the car, here also the horizontal line. This shows the bus traveling at a speed of same, zero acceleration, no change in speed or no change in velocity. That shows there is no acceleration. In the second, speed is 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, 20 meter per second, 30 and 40. See, constantly 10 increasing. So it shows that positive acceleration, the velocity is constantly changing. So this is a positive acceleration. In this next graph, the next graph, speed, no speed is there, 0 0 0. So that means the bus is at rest. Then 0 speed, 2 meter per second, 8 meter per second, 18 meter per second, 32 meter per second and 50 meter per second. Like distance time graph, speed and time graph, it goes on increasing. So the acceleration of car is t is equal to 3 seconds. It is given by the gradient of the tangent. Then bus traveling with the decreasing acceleration, as in the distance time graph, here also the speed time graph, the speed is goes on decreasing. First 18, then 18 minus 32 16, 32 minus 42 will be getting 10, then 48 minus 42 will be getting 6, 50 minus 40 will be getting 2. So the speed is goes on decreasing. This is a decreasing gradient acceleration. So we have seen in these two pages distance time graph and speed time graph. Both are showing if it is an horizontal line, it is at rest. Speed and distance time, if it is an horizontal line, it is at rest, and speed time, it is speed remains 10. So car has zero acceleration. Then positive constant acceleration, bus is not moving, positive acceleration and negative acceleration. See in this page we have seen distance time graph, horizontal line, the car is at rest, straight line, increasing speed, uniform motion, U curve, increasing speed, the mountain like steep curve, decreasing speed. And speed and time graph, the horizontal line, zero acceleration, straight line with a constant speed, constant acceleration, and zero speed as the bus is not moving, U curve, positive acceleration, the mountain like steep curve shows the negative acceleration. Here we left a decrease acceleration, goes on decreasing and attain 0 is a negative acceleration, deceleration. So these two pages shows that the graph, from the graph itself you can calculate the acceleration and the speed of the vehicle.